Hi, this is Dale for ILoveItSpicy.com. I have Feisty Parrot Ouch sizzling Scotch Bonnet pepper sauce. It's got some heat. You look, the parrot is sipping from what looks like a Scotch Bonnet pepper. Clever. I said on their last sauce that I wished it had more heat. I found it. The flavor profile on this isn't as complex and as good, I think, as the other sauce that they had sent. However, it's not bad. I don't know if it's missing that strong, maybe that strong onion flavor, and then you've got the Scotch Bonnet flavor with this. But it's not like hiccup heat. I mean, maybe if I chug the bottle, it'll give me the hiccups. But if you're looking for something with a nice smooth burn, this is it. Feisty Parrot Ouch. Haven't used as much of this as we did the other one because it was just phenomenal good. But this is a good sauce. For the I Love It Spicy chart for flavor and yummy goodness, we will go 3 flaming hearts. If I had to give it a heat rating, I'd do a 3 out of 5. But I mean, you notice that it's got something to it, and if you get a lot of it, you're gonna burn a little bit. But I like it. It smells good. It smells real sweet, but it didn't really have a sweet taste. Get more of it. It's a little bit thick and chunky. It's definitely not a thin and watery sauce. But Feisty Parrot's Ouch sizzling Scotch Bonnet sauce. This is Dale Gilbert for I Love It Spicy. You can check them out at feistyparrot.com. Thank you.